Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all, it's Isaiah. The chef is back. Today we got two nice steaks, two nice big steaks. I cut up some onions. I diced up a little bit of garlic. And then I marinated both of them together with a little bit of salt and pepper. A little bit of steak spice also. For the chicken, two breasts, we have an assortment of spices. I'm letting this little bad girl, melt away the little critters and thing, and dust off all those little cobwebs before I throw it on. I'm about to throw some food on right now. We'll see how she's going. It's been a while since I've used this bad girl, but I love her. Yeah, we got some two nice steaks I've been seasoning. All these onions just falling off. See all that there? It's onions. I'm gonna get all that and just I'm just gonna throw that on top of there like that. We don't waste none of them things. You feel me? Anyways, we got the two little steaks right there. Now, got two breasts. Throw those right on the coals there. I'm trying to get rid of my these charcoals that I've been using. They're pretty bad, so I just wanted to get rid of them. So I just threw a bunch of them in there. So I'm not sure how this cook's gonna go, but I know there's a lot of charcoal in there, so hopefully this cooks up pretty nice and pretty decently. Yeah, so today for our cook, guys, I ain't doing anything too special. It's been a long week, a long weekend, working hard, working like crazy. And yeah, we're gonna throw the lid on. Let those cook up a little bit. Let those cook up just a little bit. Yeah, I like this Weber. Do a little cleanup, So it's nothing too special today, guys. Just a little light cook. A couple steaks, two chicken breasts. I know I've been slacking on the channel a bit. I've been super busy. I hope to get back to recording and just getting my content going, because I have a loyal fan base, and I appreciate you guys, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. We'll have some more videos coming out very soon. Stay tuned.